What are the reasons of filing a federal appeal? Attorney James Alston says, "The federal court system allows for the possibility of an appeal in most cases. There are several different reasons that a person may want to undergo the federal appeals process. In general, these appeals are filed when a defendant in a federal case believes that some erroneous information in their case caused them to be convicted wrongfully. Some common reasons for seeking a federal appeal are evidence. Someone may choose to file an appeal based on their behalf that the evidence submitted against them by the prosecution during the trial did not sufficiently support the conviction. An evidence-based appeal can also be filed if the defendant believes that certain evidence was not submitted properly or that some evidence was unfairly excluded. Judge rulings. If the judge in a federal case issues certain rulings during the pretrial phase or trial phase of the proceedings, it may be possible for the defendant to file a federal appeal concerning those rulings. For example, if the defendant feels that the judge's rulings were issued without sufficient evidence or were based on perceived prejudice, the defendant may file for a federal appeal. Jurors. Federal appeals can also be filed if the defendant suspects that the jury selection in his or her trial was executed improperly. If they believe that certain jurors were excluded for prejudicial reasons, or if they suspect that the prosecution somehow tampered with the jury selection process, they may pursue a federal appeal. A federal appeal attorney can help a defendant collect and examine evidence supporting their appeal. A good deal of solid, convincing evidence must be submitted for a federal appeal to be considered, and proper procedures must be closely followed if an appeal is to succeed. For a free consultation, call Attorney James Alston in Houston, Texas at 713-714-0481 or visit his website at www.houstoncrimedefense.com.